Hey there. Welcome back to Get the Marvel. I'm GTM, and today, we're diving into the basics of variable declaration and initialization in Java. If you're just starting out with Java, this is the perfect place for you. So, let's get started. Alright, so what exactly is a variable in Java? Think of a variable as a container that holds data that can be changed during the execution of your program. It's like a labeled jar where you can store anything from cookies to candies, or in our case, numbers, characters, and other data types. First, let's talk about declaring a variable. Declaring a variable in Java means telling the compiler that you're going to use a specific kind of jar. For instance, if I want to store a number, I'll use the int jar. Here, I've declared a variable named myNumber of type int. Simple, right? Now, this jar is ready to hold an integer value. Next up, let's declare a variable to store some text. We use the string jar for that. Here, myText is a variable that can hold a string of text. But just declaring the jars isn't enough. We need to put something inside them. That's where initialization comes in. Initialization means assigning a value to the variable. Now, myNumber holds the value 25 and myText holds the string hello, world. We can also declare an initialize in one line to save some space. See how efficient that is? One line, and we've got our variables all set up. Java supports many data types. Besides int and string, we have double for decimal numbers, boolean for true-false values, and many more. Here, myDecimal is a double holding the value 3.14, and isDevafon is a boolean holding the value true. Spoiler alert, Java is fun. Let's look at a practical example. Suppose we're writing a program to calculate the area of a rectangle. We need to declare and initialize variables for length and width. In this code, we declared and initialized length and width, calculated the area, and printed it out. And there you have it, folks. A quick and easy introduction to variable declaration and initialization in Java. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to Get the Marvel for more coding adventures. Drop your questions in the comments, and I'll be happy to answer them. Until next time, keep coding.